Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to teach you something very, very important that's going to help you with your profitability in the Forex market. Okay, so this thing I want to teach you today is the reason why a lot of traders are not profitable. Okay, especially beginner traders and intermediate traders. They don't have an idea of what I'm talking about. They just focus on strategy. Okay, so let's just dive right into it. And this concept is simply the concept of time. Okay, many traders ignore time. Time is very, very important. Okay, so many of you just learn a strategy. You are focusing on the vertical part of the chart. Okay, this vertical part. What you see on this vertical part, this is simply price. Okay, this is price, but price only makes up one half of what the chart is all about. You forget about the horizontal part, okay, which is time. Time is very, very important. Things don't just happen as random. Yes, to a certain degree, there's randomness in the market, but there are times where some setups are most probable. Okay, there are times where some setups are very, very probable. Okay, so the probability of those setups happening at those times is very, very high. So you need to take notice of that as a forex trader. Maybe you are a beginner trader. If you're learning a strategy, aside from understanding the concepts of the strategy, try to also find out when that particular setup is most probable. Then you try to trade around that time. It's going to cut your human error by 50%. Because by the time you have it in your mind that maybe you are looking for an head and shoulder pattern, or maybe it's a Quasimodo or whatever strategy you want to use, you just understand the concept of the strategy in your mind, and then you come and you sit down and you're looking at the charts from morning to afternoon. If you do not see the strategy on time, if you don't see the setup on time, what do you think will happen? You are going to start taking setup that is outside of your planned setup, which is going to lead you where? Lead you to losses. Okay, but if you have an idea of when that setup is most probable, then you are not going to come to the chart until it is that period. Maybe you already know that this thing is most probable in the New York session. Then you are only going to come and trade New York session. Once New York session has ended, you are out. Okay, but if you don't know when it's going to play out, you don't have the statistics, you don't have the data, you just have the concept of the strategy, and you think you are good to go. You are only in a position that is very exposed. You are exposing yourself to human error. You're just looking at the chart and trying to see if it's going to appear. You don't have the idea of when it appears most in your mind before. So that's a very, very big mistake I see a lot of beginner traders make. Even some intermediate traders do the same thing. They know what they want to do, but when they come to the chart, they don't see it, and they just keep waiting. Before they know, they are in a trade they did not plan for. Okay, so you need to be equipped with enough planning in order to actually navigate this market successfully. All right, that's the value I have for you today. If you got some value, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.